Mango Fruit Delight. Take a blender jar. Add mango cubes to cup. Sugar 3 tablespoons. Water 2 tablespoons. Blend it and make puree. Mango pulp is ready, set aside. Whipped cream 1 cup. Whipped for 2 minutes. Add mango puree. Mix it well. It's perfectly done. Take a bowl, some apple cubes, banana for 5, some cherries, grapes, some almonds, some pistachios. Add cream and mango mixture. Mix it well. Let's serve. Decor your delight some dry fruits and fruits. Chill before serving. Our yummy fruit delight is ready. Try must, you will love it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.